Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a long time and I apologize for that. I am back to shooting on my iPhone because I'm still working on learning my Canon A50. So anyway, back to this video. Today I have this here, very simple, very, I think kind of glowy, very dewy look for you guys. Today, this is my go-to spring look. And I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you want more content like this. I will definitely have it coming to you now. You guys probably don't know, but my wedding was about 3 weeks ago. So now I have so much more time to dedicate to getting my YouTube channel the way that I want it. So yeah, this is one in a series of videos I'm gonna have coming to you guys. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you so much as always. I love you guys. Hope you enjoy. My primer today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It's dewy, it's glowy, and it's going to give my skin this very glowy, kind of like highlighted finish, which is exactly what I'm going for. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline New York Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen. This is SPF 50 and it is in the color Cappuccino. It's a little orange, but I got it a shade darker than my skin tone because of the highlight that I'm going to add under my eyes, to my cupid's bow, on my chin, and on my forehead. After I'm finished with my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep, and I'm going to cover up all those imperfections that I don't want anyone else to notice. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almonds. And I'm going to place that on the back of my hand just to warm it up a little bit. And I'm going to use a Wet n Wild concealer brush to apply that underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my nose, and on my forehead. Then I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge, might I add, that is way cheaper than a beauty blender and it works just as good. And I'm going to blend all that out. Now there is a method to my madness. I know I look crazy right now, but once we bronze up the face, we'll start looking better. For my bronzer, I'm using the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Maui Nights, and I am just going to place that everywhere where I want to look sun-kissed. And then I'm going to go in with my ABH bronzer in Mahogany, just to give my cheekbones a little more definition. I'm going to take a MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to take that same bronzer in Mahogany, and I'm going to start carving out my nose. Now, no matter what type of look that I do, I always have to have a snatch nose. That's just who I am. You can go a bit lighter on the nose for a lighter look like this if that's what you want to do. But for me, it's snatch nose all the way or none at all. Now for blush, I'm going to take the Bare Minerals blush in Peachy Keen. And I used to be one of those people like, nah, I don't need no blush. Y'all, you need blush. For highlighter, I'm using the Becca Endless Bronze and Glow highlighter. And I am just going to swirl my brush in all three of those and apply that to the highest points of my cheeks. Now, I did my brows off camera, and I used the ABH Dip Brow and a duo brush to fill those in. The dip brow is in the shade Chocolate, and I'm just going to go in and fill whatever else I need to fill in that kind of got lost with the other process of doing my makeup. Sometimes that happens. Yeah, eyebrows wash off or wipe away before you set them with gel. If I'm not doing the soap trick, I use my Echo Styling Gel and the end of my duo brush to set my brows into place. And you're going to want to let this dry. I cannot stress that enough. Let it dry before you try to get dressed. I have hooded lids, so I have to do all that I can to make sure that my lid shows. So my eyelashes are the Adele Wispies. I have no idea what number they are because they are old. These are my everyday eyelashes. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, my natural eyelashes, with my Tarte eyelash curler, and then I'm going to apply my wispies. I am now going to apply a coat or two of the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. I really love this mascara. It makes you look like you have eyelashes when you really have none. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that to make sure that my falsies and my real eyelashes are blended together. I'm gonna take a cotton round and wipe off that excess makeup and Carmex that I put on my lips to moisturize. And we are now ready to apply our lip combo. I'm going to line my lips with the NARS Lonely Heart Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and I'm going to overline them just a little bit where you can see the top of my lip at. I have big lips, there's nothing I can do about that, and I just kind of embrace them now. I'm going to be using the ABH Bittersweet Liquid Lipstick in the NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper in the shade Elizabeth. And I'm just going to take my tapered Coastal Scents brush and blend that all together. For gloss, I'm going to be using the Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow, and as you guys can see, I am almost out. Thank you guys so much. This is the final look. As you have noticed, I did not set at all. I didn't use any powders. I wanted this look to be very dewy and very glowy. I will link my social accounts below so we can keep in touch. Thank you all once again. It is a pleasure as always, and until next time.